This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Shopify questions or tasks on demand.
What is the recent format? In the API section of, in the fulfillment section, you can see how it has changed. It was the previous API version. Recently, it is clearly mentioned that what are the two IDs over here, the first ID and second ID. The first ID is the order ID and the second ID is the fulfillment ID. Now, how I can get this fulfillment ID and order ID? If I take a full order, the response will look like this. In this section, you can see there is orders, the ID. This ID is mentioned as the order ID, and if you scroll below, there is a fulfillment section. It will be good if we just use some JSON formatted. So just a moment, let me open. From here, you can see the fulfillments. This is the ID, that is the fulfillment ID. So in this section, what I need to do, the first one will be the order ID, that is this one, and the second option, that is fulfillment ID, it will be this one. Thank you.
Was this helpful? Ask a Shopify question now. AskQuesty.com.